Hi everyone, we're still in Thailand exploring and sketching. I've been meeting, eating, sketching with friends here in Bangkok and repeating that motion in the short few days that I'm here. You're with me, Alvin Mark. I'm a full-time artist making art wherever I go. Welcome to my travel sketch series here in Thailand. They're older than... yeah.
From China, they like to wear Thai student uniform. So they came to the student uniform over there to rent. Some shop.
Tourists. Hey everyone! Welcome to Bangkok again. There's always the shopping districts, really popular malls and eateries and all that in Bangkok. But I just love hanging out, chilling and sketching and eating where the people that live here hang out. This is the Pathum Wan district. This is Lamphong railway station. It was formerly the central passenger terminal in Bangkok. I think I'll spend some time sketching here in my next trip. Look at all of this. I shall have some breakfast in an alley near the station. They serve quite a bit of stuff, but I'm just gonna have the fishball noodles. That way I can nibble on little things as I head out for my sketch walk. It's delicious. The secret lies in their broth, and I can tell that they don't use MSG. I'm a proud owner of a part of a Tuk Tuk right now. Taxi, Kunka. Oh, will you look at that. Now that's something I don't see every day, a Tuk Tuk being repaired. I don't know how long the repairs will take, but I'm going to set up shop right now to make a sketch. Back here at the Tuk Tuk spare part shop. I'm so indecisive, so I'm gonna trade it for the transparent one in this one here. That way I can add lights inside and then it will glow. Oh, Hey everyone, we're here in Bangkok. Check out this new cafe called Newtro Cafe. Quite new, it's like just open for about a year or so. It's coconut ice cream with coconut shavings on it, but the orange, that's real egg yolk. It's pretty good. Why am I having chicken rice here? Well, never seen this combination before, so let's have lunch. Okay, guess what? Another delicious meal. What's great about the portions here in Bangkok is that they're usually small, so I get to sample more during the course of the day. Wait for it, wait for it. I stopped by Nam Tao Fu for a soya bean drink. With all this walking, I'm definitely gonna treat myself to a foot massage. Actually, I ordered something earlier during the day and I'm waiting to collect the item. So while waiting, I'm here at Pechbura Thai Massage. So this place only provides embroidery services, and best to do it here in Thailand because of the Thai script involved. Okay, thank you very much, tourist. So the service took about 4.5 hours and it's super well done. Embroidered, inspired from the movie Not Friends. Oh yeah, and it costs about 100 baht. As for the school uniform top and bottom, I got them from another shop in the Klong Toy area. Look at all this food! Oh my gosh! Only 45 minutes before the sky gets dark, but I will brave it to make an oil painting of the Lamphong railway station. And I'm making the decision to keep the painting smaller than 9 inches by 12 inches. As you can see, the color is all different from what I painted because the lights of the station has just come on. So we just exited out of Lamphong station to meet some friends for dinner. So let's do that. It is time for my last supper here in Thailand. My friends introduced me to UFM Fuji Supermarket. It is a Japanese supermarket and the sushi here is much fresher and cheaper than Don Don Donki. After dinner, my friends took me to Sphere, the newest shopping mall in Bangkok. How cool is it to have visited the oldest and newest shopping mall during this one trip? Very impressed with the design and layout of the space. These two levels, it's a food court and supermarket and it's open 24 hours. Time to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this time with me. Well, time to leave Thailand. Thank you all for supporting my channel. Continue to stay well, safe, and continue to explore and be creative. Until the next episode, everyone. Ciao, ciao.